Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. I wanted to do a quick video, just something we're excited about that we just got in from delivery. The box isn't even opened yet, so I'm going to open it here for you guys. It's the new Xona Rotor Echo Series turbos, which is basically a mirror image turbo. There's been other companies in the past that have come out with this, but I really have a lot of confidence in Xona Rotor in general and their turbos, so I was super excited to hear that they're coming out with their own version. This is something I really haven't seen much online. They're going to be officially announcing and releasing these at PRI and SEMA this year, but we were lucky enough to get an early set, so I want to go ahead and show you these mirror turbos, Echo turbos, and then also, talk about a little bit about their product line. For those of you that aren't aware, Tile Sport is a big part of Xona Rotor, along with Forced Performance. It's their partnership together. That's another reason that I really like these turbos. I'm a big Tile Sport fan. One really important thing to remember is all this stuff is 100% engineered, manufactured, assembled. Everything is USA. So that's a big deal to me. Unfortunately nowadays you can't do that, 100% of the time, but when you can, and you get a quality product, then everybody wins. So anyway, let's go ahead and get a couple of these open. We got a white box and a brown box. I assume one's a normal turbo and one is the mirror turbo. So let's see. Sorry, I'm having some problems here. All right. Look at that. The other really cool thing about these, and you can see right here, is what I'm about to talk about, is the weight of these things. They're very lightweight. I was nice enough to have Busher Racing. I asked them, somebody this morning, to weigh a precision turbo for me with the same exact back housing, which is the Tile stainless housing, and that is at 14.2. We'll go ahead and, hey, Kobe, can you grab the scale for me?
Yeah.
Okay, there's that one. Let's go ahead and open the other one and see them next to each other. So this is the R, which stands for reverse rotation, which is they're going as the Echo series. But one thing about all the Xona Rotor turbos is the billet center section, as you can see right here. This is badass. They have a patented triplex bearing system. They're water cooled. One thing that this turbo does not have, but you'll be hearing some more about it, is they have a new turbine wheel that's supposed to be way more efficient and be pretty fancy. We'll talk more about that once we get a set of those turbos in. These do not have that. The ones on my own car, which we're in the middle of putting Xona Rotor turbos on my car. Unfortunately, the mirror version of the size that I want is not out yet, but anyway. So let's go ahead and weigh these first. Alright, let's weigh it. 14.2 on the precision with the same deal. So we're at 13.5. That doesn't seem like a lot, but we're talking about 3/4 of a pound on a very similarly sized turbo. Okay, I got the turbos unpackaged here so you can get a better look at them. As you can see, they're perfect mirror images of each other. The nice thing about this setup is there's really no tax on the Echo version of the turbo. You're not paying extra for it. They're similarly priced. These turbos feature the Tile stainless steel back housing, which is V-band. These are also available. The mirrored image Echo turbos, I would suspect, are not available in T4. I will check into that for you guys. But the regular turbos are. I run T4 turbos on my own personal car. I would have liked to use the Echo turbo on my car, but I'm using a larger turbine, or excuse me, a larger compressor setup on mine, which is not available yet. They're introducing, I believe, 6 of these at PRI and SEMA this year, and then eventually they're going to support most of their options moving forward. Now, you have to ask, why did I pick a Xona Rotor turbo for my own personal car, and there's other mirrored image turbos out there already? Why did we choose these? And the reason I chose these and why I'm choosing to stand behind this company moving forward is two reasons. A, USA made, manufactured, engineered, 100% USA. Tile Sport, like I said, is behind this company. Very important to me. And B, none of that would matter if it wasn't a good product. And it's a very good product. Constantly doing some, bringing new things to market. The Echo Turbo is one thing. This does not have it, but they have a new redesigned, more efficient turbine wheel that they've also introduced this year, and probably will be talking much more about that. For those of you interested in Xona Rotor, their website is XonaRotor.com. The website is a little outdated. They're in the middle of redoing all that, getting all this new information up. You won't find any information about the Echo turbos there. You won't find any information about the new exhaust wheel there. So if you guys have any specific questions about that, go ahead and write those in the comments, and we'll try to address those until more information becomes available publicly online. This set of turbos will be going on this awesome F100 build you see behind me. It's being done by Hutch's Welding, which you may recognize that name. They're currently putting a set of T4 Xona Rotor turbos on my car, which are large 72mm compressor wheels. Those are not out, like I said, in the Echo Turbo yet, but the design of my car would lend itself to an Echo Turbo, so for looks. So I may change over to that once that's available sometime next year. This F100 was built in-house by Hutch's Welding. As you can see, it has a very customer suspension to get it low. It's slammed on the ground. Here's the Coyote. Here it is lowered with the tires all the way up. So he's going to go for a very symmetrical look for the turbo kit design on this vehicle. We'll go ahead and try and update you guys to get more information about these out there as this truck is running. We're going to try and get this truck into some shows, get it out there and show off these turbos for you guys. And like I said, we'll see how the Xona Rotor turbos work on my own personal car. We'll be seeing that at the Mod Nats coming up later this year in November, and I'll be running it all winter as we're in South Florida. So anyway, stay tuned for the next tech video, turbos, car reviews. We have a new video coming out real soon on the 2019 Ranger. We're doing all kinds of new videos for you guys, so make sure you subscribe and share our channel as much as you can, and we'll see you next time.